So hello and welcome my friends. I am your Sandeep sir and you are watching your channel MLT tutorial by Sandeep sir. So in this video I am going to tell you about some top degree courses for the class 12 pass students. The top 10 degree courses, medical degree courses apart from MBBS and BDS. Because for MBBS and BDS you have to qualify the NEET exam which till day which didn't occurred now till now. So in when the NEET results will come, it may be so late for you to take admission. Otherwise, you have to think otherwise when you did not get a seat in the medical. So hurry up, my students. Apart from these top 10 medical degree courses after class 12, there are some medical courses which I am not going to discuss over here, like the audio and speech therapy. Who are mentally retarded, who are not able to speak, those the technologies who are assist them is called the audio and speech therapist. That there is, because I am not going to discuss about that because there is very limited job prospect. There is another course like occupational therapy. For the occupational hazards, there are some therapeutic measures. These technologies are provided that things to the occupation for the occupationally ill patient. So there is also a little scope. There is another scope like physician assistantship. Physician assistantship is a very up-to-date concept in the first world country, not in the India, because Indian doctors still not adapted that concept where the physician assistants check up the entire health, normal health, general health condition of a patient before the specialist doctor going to examine that patient. So this concept is still not now in India. There is another degree courses like biostatistics, the hospital statistics. Many hospitals did not recruit such persons because they think that we have all in our computer, but when you go for to reveal something, they cannot reveal that. But that concept still India not adapted. So in the Indian context, whatever is applicable, which courses are in the top 10 categories, which I am going to say in this video. So like other videos, I here put some course names. The course providers are the common, I have written it in a common way, that is the state medical. There is some different states, they are named it in a different way, like State Medical University, State Allied Health Medical University, State Allied Paramedical Universities, like that they name their universities. So the university has the only authority to provide you a degree certificate. Apart from that, there are some government and state universities, which universities are, and there are some private university also. So before you go to admission, take admission, you should go about that. The course, if the course is other than the state health university, if the course is approved by the AICTE, that is All India Council for Technical Education, or the respective state council of technical education, that is much for you. And their common eligibility is the 10+2, that is 10+2 with PCB. For the medical degree courses, this is for the PCB. This is some health are strict about that. Only the PCB students they are admitted. Other universities also allow some students of CBE combination, that is chemistry, biology, and English. And other universities, some private universities also allow the PCM category students, that is the physics, chemistry, mathematics past students. So these are the common things. So I have written commonly the course name, where the I just put the in a reverse manner the hospital management and the administration course. That is the hospital management. All of you much aware of that. Their job prospect is only confined in the hospitals only, where they can get a job of a hospital manager or in a different word, that is hospital administrator, like that. Their job prospect is per 1,000 patient, their job prospect is 1 to 2. If you go to a private hospital, you can see there 20 to 30 managers are there. But in a government hospital, there is nobody is a designated hospital manager. If there is in some state there is a hospital manager, he is come from the medical, that is MBBS background, not from the hospital management background. So their on an average their job prospect is per 1,000 patient is 1 to 2. Now in the number 9, that is the perfusion technology. Perfusion technology is that subject that covers the cardiopulmonary bypass machines monitoring. When during an operation procedure, anesthetist, mainly this thing was previously done only by the anesthetist, but nowadays when a patient going for the heart surgery or lung surgery, he or she needs a artificial respiratory system, and for them there are many such machines in the operation theatre, which are perfusionists which also monitor this machine along with the anesthetist. The patient health always monitoring in every moment, because the surgeon is busy with the operation only. So their job is also very confined in hospitals only, but their prospect is good, that is the per 1,000 patient is 2 to 3. In number 8, that is the prosthetics and orthotics technology. Prosthetic is that manner, that is a prosthesis means an artificial device that replaces a missing body part. So that missing body part, say a patient going for bypass surgery, or a patient going for change the heart valve. In that case, the valve is the prosthesis object. That is, the prosthesis is the singular number and prosthesis is the plural number. That the heart valve, or somebody is going for the knee replacement, the knee part is the prosthesis part, and who made that thing is the prosthetics technologist or orthotics technologist. So their job is very not confined only in hospitals. They are also in the film industry for the makeover, not makeup a particular artist, but the makeover, to change the entire appearance of that man. So these are very popular in the Hollywood industry especially, but also in the Bombay industry. They are now adapted you can see in the past cinema, there is Amitabh Bachchan totally changed his makeup. So in the film industry, their requirement is there. In the cosmetic surgery, suppose a human, or not a patient, a human going for a cosmetic surgery. Suppose I am going to surgery to big my nose. To big my nose, the cosmetic surgeon will operate the nose, but the part, that is the prosthetic part, is input in my nose, is made by that prosthetic technologist. So they have a good prospect in the per 1,000 patient. Their prospect is 3 to 4 per 1,000 patient. Number 7 is the optometrist, that is the optometry technology or ophthalmic technology. These are all the bachelor degrees. So their job is mainly to assist the surgeon before and after the surgery of eyes, to check the power of the patient. So their job is not confined only in the hospital. They also can available in the optic shops nowadays. They just check up their the patient's spectacle powers, and they can also can practice as an individual practitioner. So they can practice as an individual practitioner. Their job prospect is very good, 3 to 4 per 1,000 patient. And in the number 6, there are physiotherapy technology. So after graduation, if you go for the master degree, there are the specialization subject like neurophysiotherapy, orthophysiotherapy, sports physiotherapy. So they are mainly help a patient who are bedridden for a long time or not mobile, they lost their mobility. These physiotherapists also mainly available in the hospitals, and they also can open their practice as an individual practitioner. When in the individual practitioner, physiotherapist can earn up to 1,000 rupees per hour in the metro cities, and in the small cities their charges is up to 500 rupees per hour. So they have also good prospect, that is 3 to 5. The next 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 I will say in the next video. And after this video I am going to tell you about some degree and diploma courses that can give you a very high earning, very high earning. So wait for that video. After this video, I will put that video, I will upload that video in the YouTube. So follow me in the YouTube. You just subscribe this channel to get the early notification in your mobile by the YouTube. My channel is MLT Tutorial by Sandeep sir. So follow me and share the video as much as you can. So thank you.